everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabricating Fringe and my name is Amber. I'm here to show you this awesome, beautiful, gorgeous wig by Jon Renau for Wig Studio One. This wig that you see right here is called Alexis by Jon Renau, and the color, this gorgeous brunette that you're looking at, is called Hot Cocoa. Does it look like hot cocoa to you? I think it does. I think it looks rich and delicious. Hot cocoa is the code 8RH14. Hot cocoa is the color number 8, medium brown, with 33% highlights. That is what RH means, 33% highlighted. And it is highlighted with medium natural blonde highlights, if you can see that. It's very, very subtle, but it's just enough to give this beautiful shade just enough dimension, and I think it is beautiful. So, so beautiful. Let me give you guys a closer look. I think I like hot cocoa. So the Alexis by Jon Renau has these adorable shaggy bangs. You can side sweep them. You can, they kind of want to be like Farrah Fawcett-y, but honestly, you can have them side swept. You can put them wherever you want. If you wanted to, you could cut a more blunt front facing bang if that's what you'd like to do. I think it's kind of cute, kind of just like this. Has kind of a 70s vibe going on with that middle part, but really you can part it wherever. This is not a lace front, and hence the beautiful and cute front bang, but it does have a folded lace area up front, so it's not just like this blunt edge. It still looks very real, even if it does happen to have, a side swept part. And then you have a monofilament top, which is fantastic for multi-directional parting. Now let's actually talk about the style of this wig first, and then I'll take off the wig and show you guys the cap construction. These waves are seriously phenomenal. So beautiful, large barrel curl waves. They're flowy, they're loose, not quite beachy, but they have more of a pattern like it's been barrel curled with a curling iron, more so than beachy, but it still has a loose flow to it, kind of a relaxed feel. It's just gorgeous, so beautiful. It does have some slight layering, and along with these waves, it's just a lovely style. It's definitely one of my favorites, and another reason why it's a favorite is because it has one of the most comfortable caps I've experienced. I'm going to do a full turnaround and show you guys Alexis before I take her off. This wig has such lovely curls that she would be beautiful even pulled up in an updo. Some of these tousled loose waves like this make the best styling. So pretty, so beautiful. And because it's a fully hand-tied cap, aside from that lace front, you can have a side swept bang, some sort of a bang or shag in front of some sort, and then honestly, so many possibilities with this style, and it can look so chic and so glam. Okay, let's take her off. Okay, so the front has a polyurethane strip, and that you can use with adhesive if needed. It's just right there, nice and smooth. And then you have a double monofilament top. It's very, very comfortable. It allows for multi-directional parting while providing the appearance of natural growth. Alexis has a 100% hand-tied cap that creates a very natural moving wig. It's very comfortable as well. You have velvet ear tabs and a velvet nape, and that allows for smooth customization with those bendable ear tabs. You have your adjusters at the nape, and that allows you to customize that fit of that wig so it just fits your head more true to size. This wig does not have any permatease, but it does have, I mean, it has a great amount of hair, but it's not so thick that it looks unrealistic. It's just a gorgeous density. It flows really well. Honestly, it's a favorite of mine. It's a beautiful wig. Also, this wig has a hand-tied stretch section, and that allows for customized stretch from front to back and ear to ear. So all in all, these hand-tied wigs are super stretchy and super comfortable. Okay, I'm going to put her back on. This is an average size cap. It fits my head like a glove. I just love it. It's like a warm hug from Olaf. Oh man, it's amazing. This has the same cap construction as Camilla by Jon Renau, which is also an amazing, comfortable cap. This hair is synthetic and ready to wear. This gorgeous style is baked into the wig, and it's super convenient and easy because it's wash, dry, and wear. It's just awesome. Your bang is 5.25 inches. Your crown is 12.5 inches. Your nape is also 12.5 inches. Your sides are 14.5 inches. And the total weight for Alexis is 3.5 ounces. It's bouncy, it's light, it feels great, it moves amazingly like natural, real hair. What do you guys think about Alexis? This is such a just glamorous looking wig to me. Oh, I love it. I mean, definitely you could wear this with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt, but if you wanted to glam this up, put a clip in it, a headband, and wear it out a night out, yes, you can. This is gorgeous. If you want to take a break from lace fronts, sometimes they can feel a little bit scratchy. If you want to wear a fully hand-tied cap and, you know, with a bang, why have a lace front if you're going to have a bang? Bangs are so flattering. They're very youthful looking. Many people just look amazing with somewhat of a bang, whether it be blunt, side swept. They're just fun, they're fashionable, and they're very flattering. Okay, you guys, what do you think about Alexis, and what do you think of Hot Cocoa, the color? This is top on my list. I love it. This is one of Amber's favorites. Hey you guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and thanks to Wig Studio One for allowing me to share this beautiful, beautiful wig. It's so wonderful, and it's been a great experience sharing for Wig Studio One. Head over to www.wigstudio1.com, and you can often get Jon Renau 30% off. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you later. Bye.